What's up guys, Aaron here, back with another video. In today's video I'm going to be telling you how to block calls from unknown callers and no caller ID on your iPhone. Welcome back, and we're pretty much all at a point where we don't accept a call unless we recognize the number or name. Anything that's an unknown number or doesn't have a caller ID goes straight to my voicemail. But this process is manual. Now what if you could automate it? Well, now you can. Now this should effectively put an end to telemarketers and robocallers. Now I'm sure you already know how you can manually block a phone number individually. However, this method is a little more sophisticated. So step number 1 is open the settings app on your iPhone and select Do Not Disturb. Step number 2 is toggle the manual option, and this will turn on Do Not Disturb. You'll see the half moon icon in the status bar. And step number 3, the last and final step, you tap on Allow Calls From, and now you have two options. If you tap on Favorites, all the contacts in your favorites list will be allowed, like your family and friends. If you choose All Contacts, anyone in your contact list will be able to call you. This is the better option, as you won't miss a call from people actually in your contact book. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please be sure to drop a like rating down below. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future content. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Aaron, and I'll see you guys on the next one.